All right, guys. Now we have a security and fire alarm monitoring device. Okay. We are gonna open it up and see what we got inside. Let's cut the cables to make it easy to start with. I'm looking for a screw, but I don't see any screw. Let's just smash it. Let's see. Yep, I was right. We don't have any screw. Okay, so we did it hard way. This is the battery. You see the gold-plated connectors? Some very interesting design. So far, we've got no screws at all. Wow. Haha. Finally. Okay, now we sort them out. So this is what we got inside a security and fire alarm monitoring device. You know, as we have said, they have not used any screw at all. That's very interesting design. I love it. I hope you love it too. So hopefully you enjoy the video. See you next time.